Now, OnePlus doesn't ship a pair of earphones with its phones. However, it is looking to expand its audio portfolio. The OnePlus Bullets V2 have been fairly popular in India, and along with the OnePlus 6, the company has also recently announced its first pair of Bluetooth wireless earphones, simply dubbed the Bullets Wireless. The earphones boast of a weather-resistant design, fast charging, and a surprise feature that works especially well if you already have a OnePlus phone. So is this a must-have accessory for existing OnePlus owners? And what if you don't have a OnePlus smartphone? Does it still make sense? We try and answer these and more in our review. The box looks pretty standard from the outside, but open it up and you'll find extra ear tips, wing tips, a bright red silicone case, a Type-C charging cable, and the earphones themselves, all neatly tucked away in their separate compartments. The Bullets Wireless is lightweight, so you barely notice it on your shoulder, and the silicone coating is easy to keep clean. The earbuds themselves are sweat and water resistant, even though they don't have any official IP rating. There's no cover for the Type-C port though, which could pick up dirt over time. The earbuds have an aluminium housing and look pretty slick. The magnets on the back help keep the earbuds in place when it's around your neck, and it also pauses your music. On a OnePlus phone, music will also resume when you detach them. The Bullets Wireless feature 9.2mm dynamic drivers and support Bluetooth 4.1 with Qualcomm's aptX codec. There's no NFC here, and we would have liked a vibration motor in the neckband for incoming call alerts. Straight out of the box, the earphones have detailed mid-range, but they sound a bit too bright for our liking, especially when using it with an iPhone. Instrument separation is good, but at higher volumes, the treble can get a bit fatiguing. Now, things are a bit better with the aptX codec on any Android Oreo smartphone. The soundstage is a bit wider, and there's more emphasis on bass while still preserving the details in the mid-range. The volume also gets satisfyingly loud, and we didn't really notice any distortion at full volumes. The ear tips are comfortable to wear even for long durations and provide good passive isolation from ambient noise. The inline remote gives you full control over media playback, and a long press of the play button summons Google Assistant if you're on Android or Siri if you use an iPhone. The battery life is good too, as we managed to get the claimed 8 hours of playback time on a single charge, but perhaps the coolest feature is the fast charging. You can fully charge the earphones from zero in less than 30 minutes, and if you're in a real rush, a 10-minute charge should easily give you about 5 hours of playtime. For a debut wireless earphone, the OnePlus Bullets is a very good first attempt, especially considering the price, which is just 3,990 rupees. It's well built, we love the weather-resistant design, and they sound great too when used with an aptX compatible device. So thanks for watching our review of the OnePlus Bullets Wireless, and for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.